For only $2.50, you can enjoy super delicious stir-fried pho with beef and cabbage. If you are a fan of Vietnamese cuisine and love dishes that are both delicious and economical, stir-fried pho with beef and cabbage is a great choice for you. For only $2.50, you can enjoy a plate of stir-fried pho with rich flavor, hot, fragrant, and especially super delicious. Stir-fried pho with beef and cabbage is a popular dish in summer restaurants in Vietnam. This dish is made from soft commercial pho noodles, stir-fried with fresh beef and a little fresh cabbage, creating a perfect blend of flavors. Each piece of soft, sweet beef, combined with stir-fried pho with rich spices, will make you unable to forget this special flavor. The special thing about stir-fried pho with beef and cabbage is that it is not only delicious but also very easy to eat. For only about $2.50, you have a nutritious meal without worrying about the price. This is the ideal place for those who want to explore Vietnamese street food without worrying about the cost. This stir-fried pho dish not only has an attractive flavor, but is also easy to find in every corner. From small eateries to snack shops, stir-fried pho with beef and mustard greens is always present and satisfies diners everywhere. It is delicious, cheap, and can fill your stomach, which is why stir-fried pho is always loved and sought after. So what are you waiting for? Try stir-fried pho with beef and mustard greens for only $2.50 and fully experience the excitement of Vietnamese street food. Enjoy and let the flavor of this dish make your day more interesting and more. Below is the process and ingredients to make pho Sao Thịt Bò Rau Cải. Ingredients: fresh pho 200 grams or dry pho if fresh pho is not available. Beef 150 grams, choose tender beef like sirloin or beef shank. Vegetables 100 grams, sweet cabbage, Chinese cabbage, or chrysanthemum depending on preference. Onion 1 bulb, thinly sliced. Green onion 2 to 3 stalks cut into pieces. Garlic 2 to 3 cloves, minced. Seasoning: fish sauce 1 to 2 tablespoons. Seasoning powder 1 teaspoon, pepper and ½ teaspoon. Sugar ½ teaspoon. Cooking oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Soy sauce if desired 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce optional 1 tablespoon. Process: prepare ingredients. Fresh pho. If using fresh pho, you just need to blanch in boiling water for about 1 to 2 minutes to soften the noodles. If using dry noodles, you need to boil the noodles according to the instructions on the package. Beef: slice the beef into thin slices or strips depending on your preference. Marinate the beef with 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon seasoning powder, and ½ teaspoon pepper. Leave for about 10 to 15 minutes for the meat to absorb the spices. Greens: wash the greens, cut into bite-sized pieces. Onions: thinly slice the onions so that they will soften quickly and not be tough when stir-fried. Stir-fried beef: heat the pan on the stove, add 1 tablespoon cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Then add the marinated beef and stir-fry quickly over high heat until the beef is firm and cooked. Be careful not to stir-fry for too long so that the beef does not become tough. After the beef is stir-fried, put it on a separate plate. Stir-fry the noodles. In the same pan, add a little cooking oil if needed. Add the thinly sliced onions and stir-fry until soft. Add the blanched noodles to the pan. Stir-fry with the onions for 1 to 2 minutes to heat up the noodles and absorb the spices. Next, add the mustard greens and stir-fry together, continuing to stir quickly until the vegetables are soft but still retain their crunchy sweetness. Combine and finish. After the mustard greens are cooked, add the stir-fried beef to the pho pan. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, if desired. Stir-fry all the ingredients together for 2 to 3 minutes so that the spices are absorbed evenly and the noodles do not stick together. Season to taste. You can add a little seasoning powder or sugar if needed. Finish and enjoy. Ladle the stir-fried noodles with beef and mustard greens onto a plate. Sprinkle a little pepper and chopped green onions on top. The stir-fried noodles with beef and mustard greens are ready to enjoy. Note: if you like it spicy, you can add some sliced fresh chili or chili sauce when stir-frying. To make the stir-fried pho more attractive, you can decorate it with fresh herbs such as herbs, coriander, or add a little fresh lemon when eating. Wishing you success with this super delicious and easy to make stir-fried pho with beef and mustard greens.